Hey y'all, welcome back. Thank you so much for being here. I hope everyone is having an absolutely amazing day. So I am pretty excited. As you can see from the description, we have a little order from Hush. I have actually never ordered from this company before. This company I know does a lot of dupe palettes. And generally I am somewhat against that just because I feel like it does take away from the actual brand and the work put into creating and manufacturing that brand. However, with that being said, this company I believe was going out of business and they had an amazing sale and then like you could get an extra 60% off. So I did pick up 2 palettes just to give them a try. Wanted to see what the formulas are like. I believe they are both by Bad Habit. I'll be honest, I'm not even sure what they're supposed to be the dupe of. But I wanted to unbox with you guys and show you. And then let me know down below, have you ordered from Hush before? Obviously, like I said, I believe they're going out of business. I don't think they even have anything left. The last I looked a couple of days ago, they had like 1 highlighter palette left and that was it. Everything had sold out. So, but yeah, let me know, have you ordered from them? What do you think of the formulas? Let me know. But let's take a look here. Like I said, I don't even remember what the palettes that I ordered are supposed to be dupes of. I do know, and I was actually really happy, and this again is part of the reason I was like, well, I'll give it a try. Because of the sale price, gosh, I can't get it open. I actually only ended up paying like $10 for these 2 palettes. And that was obviously, I paid $5 in shipping because I didn't spend the minimum. I think it was like $25 for free shipping. So I paid $5 shipping. So that means I really, for the 2 palettes themselves, paid $5. So they were like 2 something a piece. So they have like pink bubble wrap. And also down below, if you know, because like I said, I'm honestly not sure what what these are dupes of. If you know down below, please let me know. I'm curious. So the 2 palettes that I got are, and they are both by Bad Habit. Whoop, I'm dropping bubble wrap. The first one is Retro Love. And the second one was Aura. So let's take a look. For some reason, I think these are maybe dupes of some Anastasia by Beverly Hills palettes, but I'm not sure. So like I said, if you do know, let me know down below. So this is outside the packaging, the Retro Love palette. Has a really big mirror. Now I can say these colors are gorgeous. And it does have a good mix of matte. Well, this one actually looks like it actually only has 3 shimmer and the rest are matte. So this is a great palette for me to pull out for transition shades. But I'm going to swatch a couple. Let's see, we'll swatch Rock and Roll, this color right here, this burgundy matte, and we will swatch Revolution, this like shimmery, darker champagne color. Oh, okay, now they feel very nice. They feel very buttery and soft. I do have to give it that. I will say that for sure. So here are those 2 colors. So I don't know, y'all. I'm like actually really liking the way these swatch, the way these feel. Yeah, I'm kind of surprised. Maybe I should have done a little more shopping with Hush before they went out of business. But those are gorgeous. Okay, so let's move right along. And our next palette again is Aura. And I do like that. Now, one thing, these are both cruelty free, so that's a plus for me. Okay, now I remember why I got this one. This one has more shimmer shades for sure. And is gorgeous. And let me cover this mirror so I do not blind you guys. That is beautiful. So, so pretty. And I like that this is definitely more colorful. All right, so we will swatch from this one. We will do, I like to do at least one, like a matte and a shimmer. So I'm curious to see what this yellow right here, this yellow matte looks like. And then this like purpley looking shimmer right here, Destiny. So Energy and Destiny. This one and this one are what I'm going to swatch. Feels just as soft and buttery as the first palette. Both shades. Let me take this and wipe these off. It's always good to keep makeup wipes right on hand when you know you're going to do some swatching. So, Energy. I'm actually, okay. And, oh, wow. Okay. I'm actually surprised. It does look a little bit more black, maybe with purple shimmer picking it up in certain areas. But that yellow matte is really surprising me that it's actually very pigmented for a swatch of a yellow shadow. I think that is amazing. Yellow can sometimes be a difficult color in my opinion, and it's honestly not one I reach for a lot, but that color, wow. I'm very pleasantly surprised with the formula of these, and absolutely do think that, you know, the deal I got is phenomenal. Like I said, I paid $5 in shipping. My total was like $10.76. So for $5.76, that's what I actually paid for these two palettes. So just under $3 a piece. So let me know what you guys thought. Let me know if you have tried any of the Bad Habit palettes. Also, please do comment down below if you know what these are the dupes of. I, again, am not 100% sure. I am happy with them, very happy, and I can't wait to try some looks. So I hope you all enjoyed the video. Again, have a fabulous day. Let me know how your day is going, and again, what you thought. Give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed, and if you're new, do please consider hitting that subscribe button. I hope you all, again, are having a wonderful day, and I will talk with you with the next one. Bye.